nuclear bomb.
We'll figure it out. Ethan! Go! I got this. Go! Keep it alive. Yes! Cover, cover! I thought you'd never leave. We'll figure it out. We gotta go, Briggs. It's your funeral.
There has to be a way to disarm it.
Even if you can prevent it from going nuclear, there's still no way you can stop those detonators from exploding.
Could we survive the blast from the server room?
Only if someone stays behind.
Remember. I can climb my skateboard. I can climb the tree in Texas. I can climb my skateboard. I can climb my bicycle, my bike in Texas. So, I can climb the airplane. I can climb the car. I can climb the bike. I can climb the scooter. So, I can climb the airplane to South County, Texas in 2 weeks. So, I can climb the skateboard in Texas. I can climb the airplane or the school bus until August 2026. That's so funny by Gail says. We have an airplane takeoff in Texas. It's Southwest Airline or Emirates Airline or United Airline, Delta Airline, American Airline, Air France, British Airways. That's so funny by Gail says. We have airplanes take off in Houston Hobby Airport to South County, Texas on June 16 in 2 weeks. That's so funny by Gail says.